Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial on how to do this whole thing. I don't know. This look is inspired by Nikita Dragon. She did it a few years ago, I think. 2-3 years ago. I did it already last year, but I never recorded it. So this time I decided to record it, and hey, it is almost Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is, well, today. I don't know what day is today, but I know that it is Sunday and that Valentine's Day is on Thursday. Keep on watching to see how I did this. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back, relax, eat some popcorn. Today was the Oscars. That's what I know. So today, I don't know what today is, but today was the Oscars. So, yeah. First, I start off with my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the Anastasia the brush for your eyebrows, number 12. So I'm gonna do that really quick, but whenever I do my makeup, I always put on these little hairpins. Don't clown me, but I got a Hello Kitty mirror. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I will come right back. And no, I'm not trying to flash off that I have AirPods. No, it's because of the microphone. I hope it makes my voice better to hear because I have my heater on, and if I turn off my heater, it's gonna be cold in my room and I do not enjoy the cold. Sorry. I did my eyebrows. I carved them out with the Fenty Beauty foundation, Pro Filter foundation. I used the shade 290. I feel like it's the closest to my shade, but I could be wrong. So moving on to face. Prime underneath my eyes. I used the Smashbox, the original photo finish, smooth and blur. So I'm just gonna take a little bead, I guess you can call it. And then I just put it underneath my eyes, on my nose. So then I'm gonna take my filter. I'm gonna take my foundation and take like a squeeze and a half. Pump. Blend it out. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star sponge. I just put it around, you know, the deal. So now for concealer, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter concealer, and I'm using the shade 310. Then I'm gonna put some on my chinny chin. So now that I blended it out, my concealer, I'm taking the I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry. Laura Mercier. Yes, I think that's how you say it. And then I'm gonna take Jeffree Star mini sponge, all right? Dab it on.
Dab.
So now we're gonna move on to eyes. Can you see my little tooth? For eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the James Charles eyeshadow palette. And in the palette, I'm gonna be using the pink shade. I'm sorry, I don't know how to hold it. Before I get started with the pink, I'm gonna put on this neutral shade as a base makeup. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. As I said before, I'm gonna use the pink shade from the oh my god. Do you guys mix up Jeffree and James? Because they both start with J's, or is that just me? No, just me. If you do, comment below. Just kidding. I mean, if you want, though. Anyways, I'm gonna start off with the pink. And no, my brush isn't stained pink. That's how it was designed, I guess. It's from Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna start off in the corner. So first I start off with a little bit, because you can really build it up if you want. And then I'm gonna start the other side too. I'm gonna go in with the Stila Kitten Karma, sorry, I'm suck at pronouncing things apparently. I'm just gonna cut my crease. So this is basically, well, I'm not done, but basically how I do it. I know you could barely probably see, I don't know. But yeah, it's hard for me. I know it's not the best, but I try. I'm gonna go back in with the pink, blend out the ends. And then after I blended it out and everything, now I'm gonna move on to eyeliner, and for eyeliner I'm gonna use the NYX Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm gonna use the Too Faced mascara or the Lash Paradise one. And if you want a review, okay. So this one, the Lash Paradise, I feel like makes your eyelashes more spidery. This one, for me, it gives me like volume. It looks like there's more lashes. And then for this one, it looks like it's lines, just like lines. They're both good though. I like them both, is what I'm trying to say at the same time. I'm blending in my setting powder that I put on earlier. I use the butter bronzer and just this brush. Just let me imagine that it changed, okay? Just let me imagine. And then for blush, I'm gonna be using the Milani blush in the shade 05. And then the NYX blush, and this is Pinched. Okay, I like to blend them both together. I like to put it higher, like up here. Do it however which way you want to. So this part is gonna be like the, wearable go out in public one. I mean, you could go out in public in both. I'm gonna stop talking. So for lips, I'm using the NYX Powder Puff in the shade Group Love, the band. If you get it, like and subscribe. And then I'm just gonna put it in the middle of my lips. And then I'm blending it out with my finger. You could use a lip gloss to put on top. So now you have glossy, reddish lips. All right, now time for the not extreme, but like harder part. So I'm gonna do red hearts on my face, on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna also do negative space hearts. I'm gonna be using a super detailed, not super, yeah, look how tiny it is. Yeah, that's pretty tiny, like compared to, yeah. And it's actually a nail art brush, but I'm just gonna be using it as a face brush. I'm using a lipstick. This lipstick is the L'Oreal Paris 138. It was actually my mom's from like years ago. Sorry, mom. And then I'm just gonna do little hearts. So here's one heart, super tiny, super baby. I'm sorry if the lighting is going bonkers. Now that I have red hearts on, I'm gonna do the negative space ones. And for that, I'm gonna use the same brush, kinda cleaned it. Kinda. I'm gonna use foundation. Before I put down the negative space ones, I'm gonna take more blush and put it on the certain spots that I'm gonna do the negative space on. So say I'm gonna do it right here. Okay. And I'm just gonna add extra on top of there. And then I put some on my, right there. I dip into it. It looks like a blob. That's okay, we can fix it. The easiest way to do a heart is to make a V shape, like this. Like that. And then round it like that. Ta-da! After I did the little negative space ones, this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna add eyelashes. Sorry if my camera is shaky right now. I have to hold it because it's currently charging because it's about to die. So this is the finished look, basically. I did my eyelashes, I put on my eyelashes, and then I finished doing the blank spots, and this is the end result. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my makeup, and I hope you follow, subscribe, and maybe even follow my Instagram if you want. No pressure. But if you want to like this video, that'd be kind of cool. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time, even though I take a whole year to post. Also, ignore my nails. I forgot to say that before. Yeah. Okay. Bye.